Imagine this. It's 10 or 20 years into the future. The world has completely transformed. Robots are working alongside humans, virtual reality is part of everyday life, and people are even going on vacations to space. But here's the question. Are you ready for the jobs of tomorrow? Most people think about traditional careers, doctors, engineers, teachers, but there are so many new jobs coming up that most of us have never even heard of. These aren't just futuristic ideas, they're real careers that are growing right now, and you could be a part of them if you prepare early. In this video, we're going to explore 10 of the most interesting, unique, and unknown careers of the future. These are jobs that not only sound cool, but also have massive potential as industries shift and technology grows. Let's dive into the future of work and discover the exciting possibilities waiting for you. First, let's talk about virtual reality architects. These are the creative geniuses who design entire worlds in virtual reality. Imagine stepping into a virtual classroom, playing the game in a futuristic city, or attending a virtual concert with your friends, all from your living room. Virtual reality isn't just about gaming anymore. It's being used in education, healthcare, and even job dreaming. A virtual reality architect uses software to build realistic environments that people can interact with. You'll need creativity, an eye for detail, and some technical skills like 3D design. It's a job where imagination meets technology and the possibilities are endless. And next is the job of a drone traffic controller. In the future, drones won't just deliver your online shopping. They'll also carry medical supplies, take photos for construction projects, and maybe even transport people. With so many drones in the sky, we'll need experts to manage air traffic for them, just like air traffic controllers do for planes today. These controllers will use advanced software to track drones, make sure they don't collide, and keep everything running smoothly. If you're someone who loves technology and can stay calm under pressure, this might be the perfect career for you. Ever heard of neuro-interface specialists? This career sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real. These specialists work on connecting the human brain to computers and machines. For example, they help people with disabilities control robotic arms or wheelchairs just by thinking. In the future, neuro-interface technology could even let you type or play games using only your mind. To get into this field, you'd need to study neuroscience, engineering, or computer science. It's a career where you literally help people achieve the impossible. Climate change is one of the biggest challenges we face, and that's where carbon capture specialists come in. Their job is to find ways to remove carbon dioxide from the air and store it safely so it doesn't harm the planet. If you care about the environment and want to help fight global warming, this career could make a huge difference. Then there's the role of AI educators. Artificial intelligence is becoming a big part of our lives, but it needs to be trained to work properly. AI educators specialize in teaching AI systems to understand the world and make better decisions. At the same time, they also help people learn how to use AI safely and effectively. This career is perfect if you love teaching and want to be at the forefront of technology. How about becoming a biofabrication specialist? This is a career where science meets sustainability. Biofabrication involves creating materials like leather, wood, or even meat in labs using natural processes. Imagine a future where your clothes are made without harming animals or your furniture is grown instead of cut down from forests. If you're passionate about the environment and love biology, this career could be your way to make a difference. Another fascinating career is space tourism guides. With companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin making space travel a reality, space tourism is becoming the next big thing. These guides will ensure tourists have safe and unforgettable experiences, whether it's orbiting Earth or staying at a space hotel. It's a career that sounds out of this world, literally. Digital twins are virtual replicas of real-world systems, like factories, buildings, or even the human body. Digital twin engineers create these replicas to test and optimize designs before building them in real life. Imagine improving a car's performance without ever touching the actual vehicle. This job combines engineering, simulation, and innovation. In a world that's more connected than ever, cybersecurity is critical. Ethical hackers, also called white hat hackers, work to protect organizations from cyber attacks by finding vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. This career is perfect for problem solvers who love staying one step ahead of the game. And finally, let's talk about genetic data analysts. These professionals study DNA using advanced tools to uncover important information about our health. They help doctors predict diseases, create personalized treatments, and even develop cures for illnesses. As genetic testing becomes more common, their work will be essential in understanding how our genes affect our lives and health. As you've seen, the future of work is more exciting than we could have ever imagined. These careers aren't just about earning a paycheck, they're about solving global challenges, exploring uncharted territories, and creating a better world for everyone. The best part, these opportunities aren't reserved for geniuses or tech experts. With curiosity, the right skills, and a willingness to adapt, anyone can prepare for these amazing roles. Whether you're a student thinking about your future, someone looking for a career change, or just curious about what's next, the possibilities are endless.